When creating composites, digital art, or photos, the first thing to ask is, where's the light coming from? Can I enhance it or add light? Here's a sneak peek from my new course, Create Mood and Atmosphere with Photoshop and Nik, where I show how to sculpt light into your images. Seeing the light. Before we add any elements, let's take a moment to really look at the background and ask, where is the light coming from, or where do I want it to come from? This is where we start sculpting a light. I'm looking for shadows, highlights, the natural flow of light in the scene, or am I imagining the kind of light that fits the story that I want to create? In the full course, I'll show you step by step how to paint light, add depth, and create atmosphere using Photoshop and Nik Collection as my tools of choice. You'll also get practice files so you can follow along. Check the link in the description for my new on-demand courses.